Huh. Wonder if there's something going on up here. Thank you. In second gear, it felt like I was really slipping the clutch right there. Must be going slow. Must be going really slow, man. Yeah, traffic is freaking stopped right now. And I don't know why. It's got to be an accident. It's usually not this bad. Get over here in the carpool lane. Whoa, let that guy go by. Go for it, buddy. Hell yeah. That's the kind of guy I want in front of me, dude. Make the cars move. Hell yeah, man. I know if he can make it, I can make it. So, oh dude, that's a tight one. He ain't making that one. Woo! Oh, they're actually moving for him. Hell yeah, dude. That is freaking funny, dude. Thank you. Dude, people are actually moving for this guy. That's rad. Loud pipes don't just save lives, man. They freaking make the cars move out of your way. Harley dudes are cool, man. Hell yeah. Go past. He's trying to get by us, so I figure I'll let him. He's like, get out of my way, Harley dude. Those sport bikes are the perfect bike for splitting lanes. Because it's like really not any wider than your shoulders. It's like a really good setup. I remember how the RC8 was, dude. It was a freaking phenomenal lane splitting bike. What a crazy day of traffic. But it's fun, like riding with other people. This is the closest I get to a group ride, is like when I'm just like out and I end up coming up on people and cruising with them. Thank you. Oh, that's why he's getting over. Okay, let's see what's going on up here. Crazy. Oh, man. I wonder if it was a fatality and that's why they had it all freaking blocked off. It's in a pretty bad spot though. I think that almost looked like one of those situations where where that guy was stalled out in the carpool lane and somebody came along and just rear-ended the crap out of him. I wonder if that's what happened, dude. I wonder. I'll probably find out later today at work. Someone will fill me in on what happened. They'll see it on the news or whatever. Crazy, dude. so nice being on a bike, like going through stuff like that. It's so much better, dude. So much more chill than trying to freaking be in a car. Such a nightmare, dude.